दोस्तों नमस्कार, जागरूक जय हिंद में आपका स्वागत है। इंडियन कंपनी माइक्रोमैक्स के बाद लावा ने भी अपने स्मार्टफोन्स इंडिया में आज लॉन्च कर दिए हैं। 5,500 रुपये से लेकर 10,000 की रेंज में फ़ोन लॉन्च किए गए हैं और ये प्योरली डिज़ाइंड इन इंडिया है। जी हाँ, पूरी तरह से इंडिया में डिज़ाइन किए गए हैं, पूरी तरह से इंडियन है और प्राउडली इंडियन टैग के साथ माइक्रोमैक्स के बाद लावा अब इन फ़ोन्स को लेकर आए हैं इंडिया में। तो बहुत ही बेहतरीन फ़ोन्स अभी नज़र आ रहे हैं जिस प्राइस टैग के साथ ये आए हैं। साथ ही साथ दुनिया के पहले कस्टमाइज फ़ोन भी होंगे ये। जी हाँ, कस्टमाइज फ़ोन। तो चलिए आपको लेके चलते हैं लावा की लॉन्च इवेंट्स की तरफ, जहां आप समझेंगे लावा के इन फ़ोन्स के बारे में सब कुछ।
Now, let me take you through the specs of Z1. The Lava Z1 comes with 2 GB RAM and a 5-inch display. For a high-quality audio output, it comes with a 5-magnet speaker. This is the only phone in the segment to use Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, because we wanted the phone to be of strong build quality to withstand the toughest of conditions and usage. I must thank Corning team for helping us at the design level to further make the phone sturdy and durable. This phone is a military grade certified device, and the certification involves drop tests on multiple sides of the phone to meet the military standards of toughness. So the price of the Lava Z1 is just Rs 5499. It will be available across online and offline channels from this Republic Day onwards. I thank MediaTek India team for their immense support during the making of this phone. We have a message from Kuldeep Malik from MediaTek.
Hello everyone. The mobile gaming from vivid visuals and rapid sensing touches them a huge
Phone market. The consumers in this segment are young, tech aware, and have unique requirements from other segments. In our research, we found out that the top priorities for this segment are performance, long-lasting battery, high-quality imaging, especially from the selfie camera, and a great display experience. Z2 is a budget smartphone that is perfect for consumers who need a big display and a long-lasting battery. It comes with a 13+2 megapixel dual camera setup on the rear and 8 megapixel selfie camera. It has a large 6.5-inch HD Plus display for all your entertainment needs. The device is powered by 2.3 GHz octa-core G35 MediaTek processor. This 2+32 GB phone comes with 5000 mAh battery and will give you a clean and bloatware-free software experience. This phone also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection and is also military grade certified. The next phone in our lineup is Z4, a 4+64 GB device. It comes with an immersive 6.5-inch HD Plus display and is protected by Gorilla Glass 3. The Z4 has a triple rear camera setup with a 13 megapixel primary camera along with a 5 megapixel ultra wide sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The AI enabled camera in this phone adapts its setting as per the object and environment you are capturing using scene detection feature. It comes with a segment first 16 megapixel selfie camera with tetracell technology for clicking great selfies even in low light. Z4 is powered with G35 MediaTek processor and has a 5000 mAh battery. For Z2, you will have to pay just Rs 6999 and Z4 will be available for Rs 8999 only. If you are an avid multitasker, we have Z6, a 6 GB variant also available for you. It also comes with a large 6.5-inch display, AI-enabled triple rear camera and 16 megapixel selfie camera. So to get that 6 GB variant, you have to pay only 1000 rupees more because Z6 is priced at 9999 only. The Z2, Z4 and Z6 will be available across online and offline channels from 11th of January 2021. At this stage, I'm sure three things are happening. One, some of you have your comparison charts ready to compare us with the competition. Some of you are thinking that why not a 3GB RAM phone or why not a 128GB ROM phone? And many of you will be thinking, where is the value addition of our unique design and manufacturing capabilities? For a long time now, smartphone industry has been caught up in the price spec battle, and somewhere brands believe that they have the power to decide on behalf of the consumers. This is precisely the thought process we are going to change today and transfer the power in the hands of the consumers so that you decide what you want. So presenting MyZ, the world's first customizable phone. Suppose you want a 4GB RAM phone. MyZ allows you the flexibility to select a 32GB ROM or a 64GB ROM or even a 128GB ROM along with it. And next, you also have an option to select between a dual rear camera or a triple rear camera, an 8MP selfie camera or a 16MP selfie camera. And finally, you can choose the color of your own liking, and your custom-made MyZ is ready. Similarly, you will have all these combinations available for a 2GB, 3GB or even a 6GB RAM phone. So there are 66 unique ways in which you can apply permutations and combinations and make your own Z. To get the MyZ of your choice, all you have to do is visit the Lava e-store at www.lavamobiles.com and pay only for what you need, and we will make sure the phone is delivered at your doorstep. And very soon, MyZ will also be available at a retail outlet near you. But this is just half the story. As they say, picture abhi baki hai. Let's assume a scenario. You bought a 2GB plus 32GB combination phone for rupees 6,999. And after a few months, you realize that your usage is different from what you had assumed at the time of purchase. You have two choices here. Either you live with this suboptimal experience or you buy a new phone of higher specification. In this case, let's say a 4 plus 64GB device for which you will have to pay rupees 8,999, and therefore the total amount that you pay within first few months of purchase will be approximately 16,000 rupees. So this is where our new solution Z Up comes into picture. Z Up allows you to upgrade your phone anytime within the first year of purchase. Let's go back to the previous scenario. You had a 2GB plus 32GB phone that you bought for rupees 6,999. Now you can Z Up the same phone by either upgrading the RAM or ROM or both. All you need to pay is a small incremental charge. So now you get to upgrade your phone without paying a fortune for it.